Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating Chrome and installing an ad blocker. This is the single most effective first step. Once done, enable the extension and grant minimal permissions for YouTube. Make sure to whitelist any sites you trust but keep YouTube blocked. You'll also disable problematic extensions. Go to Chrome, //extensions, toggle off unknown items, and remove anything you didn't install. This reduces competing scripts that re-enable ads and prepares the browser for targeted filtering. Now you'll create specific filters. Open your ad blocker's dashboard, add rules like YouTube, $third party or Google Video, to block ad domains, and apply cosmetic filters to hide banners. Next, go to YouTube settings and disable autoplay and annotations to reduce ad triggers. Also visit your Google ad settings and turn off personalized ads to limit tracking-based placements. After making changes, reload active YouTube tabs and clear the cache so filters take effect immediately. Finish by testing. Open an incognito window with only your ad blocker allowed and play a few videos. You should see no ads. If ads persist, inspect other active extensions or any managed profiles. Corporate policies or sync can re-enable ads. Make sure you cleared site data, then disable hardware acceleration if playback issues occur. As a last resort, reset Chrome settings or remove and reinstall the ad blocker. This restores defaults while keeping bookmarks and passwords intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.